Good morning children, here is the continuation of lesson number 25th, Animal Kingdom. Koala. The koala is an Australian animal that looks like a small bear. It has a big furry ears and a big nose, which gives a comical look. The koala is about 60 to 85 centimeters long and virtually tailless. The average lifespan of koala is about 15 to 20 years. It lives among the eucalyptus forest and moves around trees rather slowly. Yes, children. Koala is an Australian animal which is a tailless. It looks like a bear. It has a big furry ears and it has a big nose which looks comically, because when we see it we feel to laugh, and it is centimeters tall and its span is about 15 to 20 years. It lives in the eucalyptus forest and it goes round and round the trees very slowly. Here comes the panda. The panda is a white and black bear, like a mammal found in the forest areas or the west central China. Yes children, panda is a white and black bear which is a mammal, means it feeds to its young ones. It stays in the west central China. The giant panda grows to the length of 1.25 meter and weighs about 100 kgs. Yes children, what is the length of the panda? It is 1.5 meter. And what is the weight of it? It is 100 kg. It feeds exclusively on bamboo, and the average panda eats 15 to 30 kg of bamboo leaves, stems and shoots a day, spending as many as 10 to 12 hours feeding. Yes children, so it eats bamboo leaves, stems and shoots of a day, about 15 to 30 kgs, and it will spend eating how many hours? 10 to 12 hours. Panda in captivating by contrast subsist happily on diet of cereals, milk and garden vegetables. Panda is very Panda is very happy on diet children. It eats only cereals, milk and garden vegetables. Okay, it doesn't feed on animals. Giraffe. The giraffe is the world's tallest mammal. It is well known for its long neck, long legs and spotted patterns. It has a small horns or knobs on the top of its head that grows about 5 inches long. The knob is used to protect the head in fights. Yes children, giraffe, when you say giraffe, what will come to your mind? It's a very tallest animal. Its neck is long, long legs, spotted patterns and the small horns or knobs we can call on the top of the head, and it grows for 5 inches. Why that knob is there? To protect the head in the fight. Male giraffes are larger than the females. Yes children, male are larger in the size and height. Male giraffe weighs between 2,400 to 3,000 pounds and stand up to 19 feet tall. My God. See children, what is the weight of giraffe? It is 2,000 to 3,000 and it is taller by 19 feet. Female giraffe weighs 1,600 to 2,600 pounds and stand up to 16 feet tall. Yes children, so female are how many kgs? Pounds? 1,600 to 2,600. And what is the height of it? 16 feet tall. Healthy giraffes live up for about 25 years. So lifespan of the giraffe is 25 years. Giraffes can be found in a central, eastern and southern Africa. Okay, so these giraffes will be where it will be? In the central eastern part or in southern Africa. Some other wild animals are deer, bison, wolves, rabbits, bears, leopards, zebras. Most of these are found in forest or national parks. Yes children, other animals are mentioned here, those all will be either in the national parks or in the forest. Now let us see the exercise of this lesson. Tick the correct answer. The group of the lions is called pack or pride. It is pride. The largest member of the cat family is lion or a tiger. It is tiger. The most intelligent animal after a man is chimpanzee or a giraffe. It is chimpanzee. The largest living land animal is African elephant or Indian elephant. It is African elephant. Panda feeds exclusively on eucalyptus or bamboo. It feeds on bamboo. Next, children, the world's tallest mammal is a giraffe or elephant. It is giraffe. The king of the jungle is, yes, lion. Most animals that live in the forest are called as wild animals. Chimpanzees are found in the forest of Africa. So here completes your lesson. Thank you, children.